Let's see how to draw circle in Replit using Python. So let's open our Replit, tap on login, choose any of the IDs. So I'll log in with Gmail, so I'll choose continue with Google. And I have only one account in this window and it automatically logged in. So if you have multiple, you have to choose one among them. So you can watch the link in the description where I have explained how to create your account in Replit. Tap on create REPL, search for Python with turtle. Give a name to your project. I name it as circle and tap on create REPL. Delete this entire code. Let's import turtle library, which is a drawing library where we have all the tools required for drawing. Now from this turtle library, let me pick my pen that is named as turtle again. It's a function, open bracket and close bracket. Let's save this in a variable t. So variable can have a letter or a word as a name. Then let me run and show you how the turtle looks like. This is a turtle pen which is used to draw. And let me choose a screen from the turtle library. And let me save this in a variable, maybe sc. Let me run again. So the screen is here, but it's white in color. That's the reason we can't see it. And now let's give a color to this screen. That is screen.bg color. And let me pick a color black. Now let me run. The screen is black and the turtle is black. So let me change the turtle color. It's a pen. So t.pen color, I'll turn it into white. So let's run. So you see a white turtle. Now let's draw a circle. So I pick my pen, I say circle, and I give the size 50. Yay, we got the circle. So let's fill a color inside it. So t.fill color. So choose the color of your choice right inside the quotes. The colors should be written inside of quotes because it's a string. So let me choose white color again. Let me run. Oh, it didn't fill the color. Why? So we have to begin and end the fill before and after the circle. So t.begin fill, right? T.begin fill before the circle and t.end fill after the circle. Let's run. Hey, we got it. So we can drag this to get the white output screen. So this is how we draw a circle. I hope you liked this video. Subscribe for more videos. See you in the next video. Bye. Thank you.